Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tomato pepper soup. Begin by roasting tomatoes and peppers until charred, then peel and seed them. Blend the roasted vegetables with sautéed onion and garlic to a smooth texture. Simmer the puree with stock, oregano, and bay leaf for layered flavor. Taste and adjust with salt, lemon juice, or cream, and finish with fresh basil or a drizzle of olive oil. Start by preheating your broiler or grill and arrange tomatoes and peppers on a tray. Turn occasionally until skins are blackened and blistered for even char. Transfer to a covered bowl to steam, then peel and remove seeds easily. Chop the vegetables roughly and set aside some charred pieces if you want extra texture in your soup. Keep juices from the tray for extra flavor when blending. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum handles crumbs and spills while you focus on soup, and voice control keeps your hands free. It makes cleanup effortless so you can enjoy your meal sooner. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you want more kitchen helpers, I can share favorites. Now let's get back to the video. Sauté onion and garlic in olive oil until soft and translucent, then add the blended roasted vegetables. Pour in stock to reach your preferred consistency and simmer gently for at least 15 minutes to marry flavors. Remove bay leaf and taste, adjusting with salt and lemon juice for brightness. If you prefer a richer soup, stir in a splash of cream or a drizzle of olive oil, then garnish with basil or parsley.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.